Hi.
When I can't find the words, I just go. I don't like you. No, I love you. When I can't find the words. Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's
So guys, welcome to the video, and today we're going to be doing a Mongoose bike check. So first we got my voodoo stickers, then it's a Mongoose frame Scan R60, that's the name of the frame, or whatever, and then it's then it's got Mongoose BMX hubs, then SES brakes, which are really nice, and cable ties here, but I cable tied it the wrong way around. You may notice, I think I cable tied it the wrong way around. Then I've got lizard grips down here, which is quite cool. I upgraded them, and most of the bike is non-upgraded, so that was one of the only things. Now I've scratched my brakes here and here where I've come over the bars. So, and this is what happened when... Okay guys, so now moving on to my headset. This is really nice headset, I love that. Then we got some Mongoose BMX forks. It's a mongoose bike, so it's got loads of mongoose stuff. Then we got some awesome cranks. Look at that sound. Oh, so we got some nice cranks. We got some Mongoose BMX seat, series R60. So I think I'm going to change that seat, maybe. Then I've upgraded the pedals. They were on my other mountain bike because it's BMX. So I put them on as well. And I got my wheels, really nice. I changed the dust caps to smiley dust caps. And then I decided to put them on my man bike, so I put that. And it's a full steel bike. Top tube, you can see there. Focusing on that. Top tube 20.5. And it's series R60. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Oops, I just zoomed in too far then. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, guys.